Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be changing the dip beam in my Audi A4 B6 2004. So all you're going to need is a ratchet, series of extensions and a T30 style star bit. First of all, to get access, what we're going to do is remove the air duct. Just a couple of bolts here, however mine snapped, so I can just pull mine straight out. You just simply pull this out like that and place that to one side. Next we're going to undo this bolt, and it should have a bolt there, however mine is snapped off. Now your next bits are going to be this bolt here. Again, same bit, you might need an extension. You don't need to take this all the way out, you can just take it out a little bit and it should slide out. And your next one is that one just down there. Again, you're going to need an extension, and you can believe that one does actually need to come out. Now I have actually removed these bolts, however you don't have to fully remove them. What I did then is I give this a small wiggle and push it forward ever so slightly, as you can see. So once that's done, obviously you're going to need to remove the electrical connectors to get more access. Now this might give me just enough access on here, however I think it's probably best just to remove them if it's feasible. So to get the electrical connector out, be very careful, get a screwdriver in here till it clicks, so try not to break it. And you just get a screwdriver and slowly pry it off. Okay, you don't want to snap this at all, because otherwise moisture will get in, alright? And you just gently does it. You need a bit of a wiggle. Off it comes. As simple as that. Now it's off. Got high beam, dipped, and side light. This one's a pain in the arse. This one's a pain in the arse. However, this one's not so bad. You can actually do that well fitted in the car. What you're going to do is take this off. Once that's off, you're going to take this electrical connector off. It should just wiggle out like so. Check for any signs of moisture or damage in there, because that might be where your bulb's going. Pull it up on this, he says, and then it goes down to the side. You just pull this bulb out like so. I'm using the Halfords bulb, the H7477. It's about £7 or something like that. Now when you take this out, you need to not put any finger marks on the actual glass itself. This will put the oil off your hands on there, and then when heated it could crack the bulb. So always just pick it up by the electrical connectors. Ensure that top lug is in place. The bolt's only going one way. And you just put this connector back in like that, and the connector should slide back on. Once you've done that, make sure it's all nice snug fit. Take this, put that in there, and put that on. Once you've done that, you're ready to reinstall this headlight. What you do is just slide it back through there, connect the electrical connectors up, and then put the bolts in reverse order. Now this back bolt is a pain, I'm not going to lie. So bring the headlight out slightly, put it in an angle, and then slowly but surely push it in like so, and get your extension and screw it in. Once you've done all that, sorry, just to start to rain, so I just quickly rushed the job. All you're going to do is put your air intake on, and then test your headlights. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. I will be doing more videos on my Audi A4 B6. I'm doing a wheel bearing replacement soon. I'm doing the front brakes. I have done the rear brakes, but unfortunately my camera was playing up, so I couldn't do that. But yeah, please make sure that you stay tuned, and any questions, please make sure you put in the comment section.